Şum hevan açıt Cehellemas Luh havas Vıçanavas Cehellemas Jigar yas Taran sui Cehellemas Adırıs bacıs Cehellemas Kızıltar Dinata Cehellemas Navi hundu pyale Çupagıl Cehellemas Cehellemas Pusu boyce kasvan narhal Cehellemas Kotanı çasbu yürümez Cehellemas Cehellemas Irha çam lagan Cehellemas Chunga panseri haath se Cehellemas Yaran kusçum Hafari Cehellemas Kusu boyze kasvan narhal Cehellemas Kotanı çasbu yürümez Cehellemas Kusu boyze kasvan narhal Cehellemas Kotanı çasbu yürümez Cehellemas Nara Thank you. We are Alif and we are live from 101 India and rise and shine everyone. And can we have? Yes.
Hey.
Hi.
How's it going, guys?
Did you like it? What we did?
Absolutely loved it.
Yeah?
All right. So that was a song called Jhelamos,
Yes.
which you guys had written. This was about the floods in Kashmir, right?
Correct. The resilience of the Kashmiri women in floods and throughout the ages.
Yes. So you want to give a little bit of a backstory to the song, how you were part of the relief efforts while immediately in the aftermath of the floods.
I was, in fact, not just me, sirf main nahi, har ek jan jo Kashmir mein tha, he was doing his bit, and the beautiful part is I've never seen Kashmir being one as on those days, and it was spectacular. People came together from left, right, har ek jagah pe saath aaye, and we got through that.
Right. So we're here on World Music Day today, and we're here to celebrate 1 year into the release of the track that we had worked on together, Jhelmas and Like a Sufi. So do you guys want to say a little bit about the tracks, about your entire process?
So basically, we 101 found us, or we found 101?
Yeah, let's just say we found each other.
Yeah, we found we found each other. So it's a beautiful story. जब हम वहाँ पे वीडियो बना रहे थे, तो this gentleman here was in the studio and recording.
These guys did not take me to Kashmir, man.
So, but then you had to be here to play.
So it was a very cool thing. So these guys were shooting the same song, and the same song was being recorded in the studio at the same time. So
yeah, so it was. I was sending the live pictures to the studio for him to have a feel around it and
play according to what they are feeling.
So that was fun. So Jhelmas was released 2 days after Like a Sufi, and Like a Sufi was released on 21st, and today is 21st last year, and I think Like a Sufi, was spectacular and really amazing for them to pick us up. Yeah, you have eye for
we had a really,
great
really
things.
good time shooting that video with 101.
Yeah.
It's an amazing team. We love working.
What was the shoot like? What was the experience like for you guys while you were shooting? It was
we-
cold. Let's start with that.
Oh, it was cool. But you know what we did just after the shoot was finished, we completed the shoot. Like that was the last shot,
Correct.
and it was I think -8 or
Minus
something.
11.
Yeah, and then we were like, yeah, this really we have done it, and we all took off our.
We actually stripped.
Yeah, we took, we took off our tops and we
Correct.
actually stood in the cold and just to really feel it. It was super.
Correct. So basically we were not, there's a little trivia about it. While we were shooting, तो हमें बर्फ नहीं मिल रही थी. So we wanted a section of snow in both of the songs, Like a Sufi and Jhelmas, and we went all the way to Pahalgam, and Pahalgam से हम आरू चले गए, and my friends there who have gone to Kashmir would know what I'm talking about. So then we came all the way back from Aru to Sunmarg, and Yusmarg के रास्ते में एक चंग पे गाड़ी रोक के हमने वो शूट किया था बाद में. बहुत मजा आया.
So that is the patch where you see MC
Cash
Cash
walking down the
the
mountain,
slope.
yeah.
That is the patch. Yeah.
It was super fun. Yeah, super fun.
Yeah.
Yes.
We've got a lot of comments coming in as well.
Yeah.
Suhail Dar was actually saying, can you explain a little bit about the meaning of the lyrics that you guys were singing?
Jhelmas. So दोस्त एक Jhelmas एक कहानी है. What was the name?
Suhail Dar.
Suhail Dar. आधा बजे Suhail Dar. So basically Jhelmas, everyone knows Jhelum is the river of Kashmir. So this is about a perseverance of women in general and particularly Kashmir, because मेरे ख्याल से that never give approach and attitude of women is killer, so this is about one girl who is wanting to go to the other side and of the river Jhelum, and people are telling you should go, but the river Jhelum is in between. But this is not the river Jhelum, this is the river of her emotions, and she wants to become one with herself, and the only way she can come face to face with her emotions is being one. So that's how she goes into the river of emotions. So they have a Jhelmas.
Yeah. And really thanks to
Alina
Alina
Kazan,
Kazan
yes,
for
Alina Kazan.
she is the actress in the video and she has done a wonderful job.
No, she was there.
She actually jumped into the
she
water.
did.
So that was amazing. Really
For
commendable.
those of
Thank
you who haven't seen the video, head over
check it
to
out.
head over to 101india.com/music, and you should be able to see the music video for Like a Sufi and Jhelmas.
Both. I think it's incredible how people like 101 and people Facebook and everyone is coming together, and not just giving a platform for music which is out there and which is very easily understood.
Absolutely.
For something which is in regional language and which is something not people don't understand easily. I think kudos to that.
Absolutely. Shall we hear another track from you guys?
Yeah, I will do that, but I need to tune. Meanwhile, we can take some questions. Yeah?
Sure. All right. So if you guys have any questions, now's a great time to ask. While Muneem is tuning his guitar, Hardik, do you want to take some of some of these comments that have come in? You've got people giving call-outs and saying we love you. Just you can just read out names and say hi and say thanks for tuning in.
Wow. Manisha, Shahan, Suhail.
Suhail, I think, has been there. Yeah. Suhail has been there since the start of the video.
Suhail, thank you.
Wow. Thank you everybody for really tuning in and watching us. And
Radisha had signed in right at the beginning saying Sufism at its best.
okay,
So-
Sohail is asking, what have you to say about the people of Kashmir? Like speaking in terms of person who has not lived in Kashmir. वो तो है ही. Whenever I am in Kashmir, I absolutely love the fairen. I love wearing the fairen और मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड लगती है. So I'm wearing like 5 layers of clothes and उसके ऊपर I'm wearing the fairen. And whenever I'm there, I'm considered like people see that they consider me as a Kashmiri.
Right.
So there is this incident which happened where
And I think let's not talk about that.
Not talk
It's
about
only happiness. Only happiness. Yeah,
Okay.
only happiness.
all right. So
Yeah,
let's
the happiness is he gets kidnapped by girls there. Huh? You want to talk about that incident when
so let's not talk about.
So Faisal Khan is tuned in. He's saying this is the first time he's listening to you guys. You have anything
Wow.
to say to these guys?
Faisal, thank you so much.
Thank
If this is the first time आप हमें सुन रहे हैं तो आप सुनते रहिए. हमारा एल्बम आने वाला है. इनफैक्ट हमने रिलीज किया है Feb 3 को हमने एल्बम रिलीज किया था सफेद.
So it is available on YouTube.
Correct.
It's
YouTube
right
पे भी है.
Right now it's on YouTube and shortly I think in this week or the next it should be on iTunes. And the album is called Sufed, the color white, which is the and उसके पीछे भी concept है जो हम लोग बताएंगे along with the release of the album. But right now we'll talk about the album, the songs that we did with 101.
Sure.
And the next song I think which we're going to play is
It's also used by 101. Yeah.
yeah.
कुछ तो बनता है अपना relationship
है ना?
सारे गाने के, yeah.
Some
There's
magic
something
just
about
happens.
it, huh? There's something about it. I think it's about I think connection.
Yes,
I think
absolutely.
मेरे ख्याल से वो है. मतलब I think it's the vibe and that's one thing that is very important. The people that you surround with. There are two major important things in life. I believe is like one is passion and other one is compassion. So you might have passion, but if you don't surround yourself with compassion and people who have compassion, it becomes a little tricky. So we'll do a song called Choraha. एंड चौराहा एक गाना है जो एल्बम में है, बोनस ट्रैक है. एंड चौराहा मतलब 4 रास्ते. तो वहाँ पे कुछ लोग बोलते हैं कि आपसे नहीं होगा, मतलब मुमकिन नहीं है, आपको जॉब कर रहे हो वो सही नहीं कर रहे हो, गलत कर रहे हो, हम आपसे अच्छा कर रहे हैं. तो फिर देखते क्या होता है आगे. ठीक है.
I'll let you guys take it away.
Oh, thank you.
thank you.
1, 2, 3, 4. पूछूं जरा पता मैं उसका मिलता कहाँ सुकून. कल जहां पे दुनिया हारा आज जीत जुनून. कल वहां पे दुनिया बोली ये सब है फिजूल. आज मैं भी हूँ वो भी है, जीत है जुनून. उस पते पे चौराहा था, वो था नशे में चूर. टूटी सड़क की गलियों से दोस्ती की जुनून. टूटी सड़क की ठोकर बोली तू है मेरा गुरूर. आज मैं भी हूँ वो भी है, जीत है हुजूम. ओ ओ ओ गली के अफसाने वो थे मशहूर. जो वहां पे पहुंचा समझा दास्तां सब हजूर. क्या कहूँ मैं चौराहे से, वो था नशे में चूर. मैच में जीतूं वो भी है जीत है हुजूम ओ ओ ओ Thank you. That was चौराहा. तो मतलब करते रहो because करने से काफी सारी चीजें होती है. Do we have any more? Yes. Yes.
So this song was actually this was the headlining track on a series that we put out on 101 India called My Epic Adventure. It was the story of Roshmin, city boy who travels to the mountains.
Yeah, Ladakh mountains. Correct.
In an attempt to scale a mountain. So that's another thing you guys can check out on 101india.com.
You guys are doing cool stuff, man.
Thank you. It's thanks to guys like you, man.
Yeah,
So we have a question from Zulfikar. He's saying he's always seen this black embroidered cloth in all of your performances, whether it's with Alif or Highway 61 before that.
Yeah.
What's the significance behind the cloth?
First of all,
Highway 61 is Alif.
एक ही है, दोनों मतलब एक ही चीज है. ये इसीलिए क्योंकि जुल्फिकार, right?
Yes.
जुल्फिकार इसीलिए क्योंकि ये हमें याद दिलाता है कि हम क्या है. मतलब this reminds us to remember the roots, specifically me, and I'm so humbled and so so mesmerized by the fact that the team of Alif has absorbed it so beautifully. For example, it's just not me. Hardik also wears this, Karan on the stage, and Chaitanya also on the stage, and Amit also on the stage wears this. So this reminds us where we come from, and we want to share good stories about this place with the whole world. So that's why we had this. Yeah.
Bhavna is saying she wants you to sing a song for her, so the next one we'll have to dedicate to her when that goes out.
All right. Okay, cool.
Manisha is saying she's heard Alif perform live. You guys are amazing. Suhail is asking for Jailamus again. भाई एक बार तो हो गया, अब दोबारा नहीं.
एक बार ही गा दिया ना. अभी एक काम करो, वीडियो पे देख लो ना.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
वीडियो देख लो.
Saqib is saying he's looking forward to see you guys performing in Srinagar.
Saqib,
we would love to.
We would love to. In fact, I would love to perform with the whole team because हम इससे पहले भी आए हैं. We have come two-piece. Hardik and me, we have done there, in university and other places. But इस बारी अगर मतलब मौका मिले तो पूरी टीम को लेके जाएंगे ना करण. मतलब पूरा बेस.
वीडियो में तो लेके गए नहीं.
So that's fun. Yeah.
Suhail Dar is saying, brother, can you sing a line from your first song? पहला गाना कौन सा था आपका as a band?
A line from the first. I think yeah, it was this. Yeah.
Can you just?
We can just do one
Let me
line,
check.
So here's a trivia about it. कि जब ये बना था गाना तो मेरे गिटार पे ऊपर का स्ट्रिंग और ऊपर का ई स्ट्रिंग और नीचे का ई स्ट्रिंग नहीं था. तो मेरे पास सिर्फ बचे थे बीच के 4 स्ट्रिंग, ठीक है. और मेरे को सिर्फ जी कॉर्ड बजानी आती थी उस ज़माने में. तो अभी भी ज़्यादा आता नहीं है, जितना आता है दिल से बजाता हूँ. तो ये बन गया. एक लाइन करते.
Okay, it's a big lag.
जब तेरी आँखों में हूँ जब तेरी आँखों में हूँ जब तेरी आँखों में वो सपना देखा जो मैंने जो देखा था तूने था सोचा वो हर लम्हा हर सू रूप में बसी थी तू हर लम्हा हर सू दिल में बसी थी तू उम्मीद है यकीन है तू आज Thank you.
Alright,
That was
great.
the first song. Yeah.
Great stuff.
Yeah.
Great stuff. Okay. Umair Maqbool is saying something in Kashmiri, sir. Like a Sufi में तो वो आ ही जाएगा.
हाँ वो तो आज बता क्या बोल रहे हैं कश्मीरी में क्या बोल
He's
रहे हैं
saying कश्मीरी में कुछ गा लीजिए.
कश्मीरी में गाएंगे यार गाएंगे
मिन्मय भी काफी टाइम से बोल रहे हैं एक और गाना.
In fact, let's we can do Cheerat.
Yeah, we'll do a little bit of Cheerat. Oh,
Yeah.
we can do a little bit of
Tausif in fact Cheerat गाना request कर रहे हैं. So he's
Sure,
saying
sure,
can you
definitely, we'll definitely
can you
do
please
that,
sing
yeah,
that one
Yeah.
one line?
we'll do one line of that.
Yes.
And you know what is the amazing part of Cheerat is ये कश्मीरी गाना है जिसको बशीर दादा ने लिखा था. हमने रिकम्पोज किया, रीअरेंज किया और हमने इसको कप्पा टीवी केरला में बजाया. कैन यू बिलीव इट? केरला में हमने कश्मीरी बजाया और वहाँ से कश्मीर में आया एंड कश्मीर में people started liking it and I was surprised कि यार ये क्या हो रहा है.
No, I mean, that just goes to show you, right? From all four countries you take, all four corners you take influences and you put them together, and that's how.
That's the beauty.
That's
of
the
it.
beauty.
Yeah, that's
So
absolutely.
let's do a bit of Cheerat, ठीक है? Let me
Take.
हाँ सही. Done?
Begin.
1, 2, 3. Buzum bemar kıtya, buzum bemar kıtya. Seni şiva ilacız, seni şiva ilacız. Bitti çon roi bıçha, bitti çon roi bıçha. Bu kısıs bemar asun. بحاوي يسدل مقصوص يا رياسن جيرت بحاوي يسدل مقصوص يا رياسن. Let's go! Jamun bachak dimha Jamun bachak dimha Meko sun siyare asan Meko sun sare asan. Basan chumb marma 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 Basan chumb marma. When I chumma koi tamanna, when I chumma koi tamanna, China sand king talaha. Sing along there. China sand king talaha. Meko sum mazar asun. Ooh la la. Thank you. That was cheated. Yes.
Right. Narendra Singh is saying thank you. That's my all-time favorite. Thanks for playing this one. Minmay Dasgupta बोल रहे हैं please come to Kolkata.
Kolkata बुलाओ यार. हम मतलब तरस रहे हैं. We would love to play and we would love to play the album, the whole album with you guys in colleges. Everyone who's watching, in fact, you know, get in touch with us. You know, call us wherever you want, and we would love to come and play for you. Yeah. We want to make friends and inspire. You know, मैं बार-बार कभी भी जाता हूँ, कहीं भी जाते हैं, हम बोलते हैं कि हम खुद गर्ज हैं. You know, we are really selfish to stay inspired, and the only way we can stay inspired is if you guys inspire us. So yeah, so call us wherever.
ताबिश भाई, थैंक यू सो मच.
ताबिश कौन है?
ताबिश गौर यार.
ताबिश गौर
Yeah.
यार, सिक्योर करा है यार, क्यों से?
Wow. Thank you तनिषा.
अपनों में से और कोई है? अपने
सना.
सारे हैं.
Wow.
एल्बम सुना? सुन को पूछ, एल्बम सुना?
या आप लोगों ने एल्बम सुना क्या? प्लीज यू कैन लॉग ऑन टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल या फिर हमारी वेबसाइट पे जाइए onealif.com onealif.com and you'll find the album, the details, everything. Album is called Sufed और जेलमस उसमें है, चौराहा है
इनफैक्ट चौराहा है उसमें, जेलमस है उसमें. And we'll do one more song for the album and then we can do the finale. Is that okay?
Okay, let's
Yeah?
do one quick.
Yeah?
Yeah. What's the name of this track that we're going to do now?
शोशे का चश्मा.
शोशे का चश्मा. आधा मजा तो गाने के नाम में ही होता है ना.
हाँ, शोशे का चश्मा. चश्मा नहीं लाया आप? चलो यार, बजाते हैं फिर.
All right, take it away, guys.
Yeah, thank you, Jayant. Thank you.
है ना.
Thank you, Jayant.
Oh yeah, we need one शोशे का चश्मा.
हाँ, अगर चश्मा है तो दे दो ना यार. हाँ, अब नहीं, लाइव जाने से पहले किसी के पास था ना. हाँ, मिल गया. आप पहन लो.
मैं शोशा करूँगा.
ठीक है. मेरे को दिखेगा नहीं ना आगे इससे. तो बेसिकली शोशे का चश्मा is a song from the album. We have kept it right in the middle of the album and मेरे ख्याल से आजकल की दुनिया में शोशा करना लाजमी है, क्योंकि शबनाज भी नहीं है. Just that was a bad joke. I know that was a very bad joke. So yeah. So I just wanted to make fun of myself. Yeah. So great. So like I said, शोशा करना आजकल इतना ज़रूरी हो गया है कि अगर आपके पास निहायती और इतनी क़ुव्वत है कामयाब होने के लिए, लेकिन अगर आप शोशा नहीं करेंगे, you don't make noise, people would not notice, and you might be just staying there and not being visible. So this is a song. There's एक थोड़ी सी शिकन सी है लोगों के और सिस्टम के खिलाफ कि आजकल शोशे का चश्मा क्यों इतना ज़रूरी हो गया है. Once again, I'll just tune it properly. हाँ. खामोशी बेचूं, चिल्लाएगा कौन, घर बक्से में रख छोड़ूं, खरीदेगा कौन, हर फन के मौला मिलते हर रोज, किससे मैं सीखूं, सिखाएगा कौन, ये जो शोशा है तेरा, जो है सबने खरीदा, कैसे मैं बेचूं. तुम जो सुन रहे हो, तुम्हारी हकीकत उन बंद चंद दीवारों पे टंगे हुए आईने में है. आईने से बातें करता हूँ क्यों, उस कोने में मेरा बिस्तर है, सुलाएगा कौन, हाँ खुद की ज़हमत हूँ, निभाना कसूर, पर शोशे का चश्मा लगाना जरूर, ये जो बेजार खजाने हैं, सबके सब जो तुम्हारे हैं, कैसे मैं बेचूं. चादर है, बिस्तर है, तकिया भी है, कैसे मैं सोऊं जालिम आशिक बेपर्दा है, कहने को तो ये मोहब्बत बेचैन है, हरगिज इसमें तुम ना पढ़ना खूबसूरत है। उनको देखूं, खुद को देखूं, क्यों मैं बेचूं, क्यों खरीदूं, उनको देखूं, खुद को देखूं, That was शोशे का चश्मा। क्या मैं बेचूं, क्या खरीदूं, शोशा है, उनको देखूं, खुद को देखूं, शोशा है, क्यों मैं बेचूं, क्यों खरीदूं, शोशा है। So a lot of Alif is driven by poetry, and that's why we write, poetry is the driving force and the words of Alif. So poetry, music and performance. Yes.
Great stuff, guys. So request तो आने लग गए हैं अब, बहुत जबरदस्त। लाइक सूफी तो भाई लोग मांग ही रहे हैं,
इसलिए वो बजा के
हाँ बिल्कुल बजा के
saving grace.
Exactly 1 year ago today,
Yes.
that track came out. It's got over 3.5 lakh views on YouTube.
Yes. And the beautiful part is when you go on the YouTube and comments section में जाते हैं, वो देखते हैं, when you read the comments, they're so humbling. Seriously,
Absolutely.
बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है कि people are reacting and responding to all that music, which
Absolutely.
they don't understand.
It's great to see
a lot of people doing covers as well.
Exactly.
People have started doing covers for that. Yeah.
That's so, it's so beautiful for an artist. Like seriously, जब आपका गाना कोई और cover करता है, it's just it really feels.
Yeah, it feels nice. Like it feels that you've connected somehow and you've made a difference in their life.
Yes, that much of an impact.
Yes, that much of
on
an
their
impact.
lives.
Yes,
Absolutely.
yes.
तो हो जाए?
Yeah, ठीक है.
Yes.
Like a Sufi.
All right.
Like a Sufi. Ready?
Okay, so I'll
Lag?
do the minimal stuff. Let's see.
Minimum lag है ना?
Yeah, this is very very big lag.
चलो. चलो.
2, 3, 4.
Bobay sun kärnut piir seni samkhna. 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 Lol jigras jigar lo वंदै अस्तानन खसे दीदार करे लोल जिगरस करतम खंज खंज कते पान लोल जिगरस करतम तीर तीर पानस लोल जिगरस करतम खंज खंज कते पान लोल जिगरस करतम तीर पीर was born in a curfew, sweat drips from her neck. Baby loves the perfume. I'm a look to show her. Whole world is a conflict. The machine runs slow and she can't stop it. So she holds them tight, never far from her sight. Prays 5 times a day. May they see the light of the 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 day. Children be saved. Lol jigras kartam kanj kanj katte paan. Lol jigras kartam peer to peer paanas. Lol jigras kartam kanj kanj katte paan. Lol jigras kartam peer to peer paan. Bobai sun kyaran peer seri samkhina. 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 Thank you. That was like a Sufi. Like a Sufi. Sufi के माने आपको मालूम है क्या होता है? Sufi is a lifestyle and Sufi comes from the word tasawwuf. Tasswuff. Tasawwuf, and it is a series of finding the truth, and which means mystic.
Huh? Okay, so somebody saying they are not live. But we are. Jubair, why?
उनको लगा कि live नहीं हो रहा.
So we are that.
Zubair, yaar, Yago, Zubair beg. We were so good, yeah. Yeah, man.
नहीं, just the fact that बहुत हम लोग Facebook ऑफिस में हैं और उनके पास बहुत अच्छे कैमरा है तो उन्होंने लगाए हुए हैं.
नहीं यार, हम लाइव थे यार, हद है.
थे नहीं, अभी भी है.
अभी भी है.
Live. Yes.
We're still live.
Oh yes, we are also. So Mukesh is saying missing MC Cash in it, and yes, we are.
Mukesh, he's a rebel out there. He's in Kashmir, so we'll soon meet him. And indeed, you know, he's a pleasure to watch.
Oh, and Tanisha is saying, what a perfect way to enjoy World Music Day. Thank you so much, Tanisha.
It is a perfect way to enjoy the.
We're getting love from Dubai.
Love from Dubai.
Love from Dubai as well.
Thank you.
Gibran Qureshi from Dubai.
Oh, Gibran. तुझे वार पने अब तरह दो वापस बजाओ दुबई क्या दबा यार जरूरी है दुबई बजाओ
का रिस्पांस आ गया by the way. I just wanted to get your attention, it seems. Well done. That was a good tactic.
That was a good tactic, by the way. And
loads of love, Munim, coming from Azan Gul.
Thank you, Azan Gul. Thank you. हम जो करते हैं यार दिल से करते हैं, मतलब लाइक मैं बार बार कहता हूँ लोगों को कि मतलब ये हमारी ऐसी चीज़ है, हम खून लोगों के साथ शेयर करते हैं. अब जब खून शेयर करेंगे तो फिर वो किसी को अच्छा लगे या बुरा लगे उसकी गुंजाइश नहीं है. जो हम करते हैं दिल से करते हैं. एंड वी आर हम्बल एंड वी आर सो हैप्पी that we have all the difficult and the struggling times. You know why? Because जब वो सारा होता है तो ये करने में मजा आता है और ये पढ़ने में मजा आता है.
Absolutely. Thanks, guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for.
I would like to thank 101 Jayanth, Sunana, Bhavna. By the way, the last song was dedicated to Bhavna, right?
Yes,
it was.
Bhavna, that one was for you.
Yeah, that was one for you. Umar behind the camera, and can we have the names? Tanmay behind the camera. Mahashweta, thank you so much, brother. Puran, thank you, Puran. Mahesh, Saurabh from Music Club. We would like to thank everyone and thank you everyone watching there. Sufed Sune, Sufed iTunes mein jaldi aayega, and this album we remixed it in if you could just zoom in. This album we remixed it in Westlake Studios, which is in LA, jahan pe Rihanna वगैरह and Big Shots mix that. We were fortunate to get there and mix it there, and it'll be up on on iTunes very soon. You can buy it.
So thanks to Flying Carpet Productions.
Thanks to Flying Carpet Productions. Thank to Aman Morane.
Ashish sir and Aman Morane for bringing this album to life.
Yes, and especially kudos to Aman Morane. He spent days and nights to work on this. The other two band members, Chaitanya and Amit. तो चैतन्य ने कहा था कि छोटी जगह है लेकिन आप बड़ी थी यार, आप आ जा सकते थे, तो ठीक है. So next time we'll come here with a big sound and big things, and rise and shine, Zindabad. Thank you
so much.
Thanks guys, thanks for tuning in. Make sure that you subscribe to live notifications. That
for
way,
both.
Absolutely, for Alif and for 101 India. That way, the next time we're live with these guys, you'll get a notification. You'll know when to join in.
Thank you.
We will see you guys on the other side.
Thank you. Bye bye.